Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz coming to you from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And of course, it is only April 18th, but we're going to call this May Day. And of course, we're going to talk about the British pound. As Theresa May is now has done a really nice job at trying to create and finish off this entire exit or the Brexit out of the Eurozone. And of course, what we're seeing now is that she has now called for a special election, which is actually helping the pound show a lot of strength here. So we're seeing a nice progression as we saw from the original big slam down in the pound. We've now seen a very, very nice rally. And of course, we've been bullish the pound the entire time here after the initial break. But I think now what you're really seeing is we're coming at what we would say the moment of truth, is whether or not we're now up at the upper end of this last band. And the question is, will we break out here and move to, again, newer highs of more recent vintage? And I think this is what we're going to do. I think you're going to now finally see the breakout of the pound looking to go back into the 150 range. So, here we're just under 130, but I think there's at least another 20 cents to the upside here. And I think that Theresa May is just the one to get him there. I think what you're seeing is a real fall of the euro currency, of the Eurozone. And I think that's really creating the overall problem. So I think that for everybody who was worried about the strength of the pound and how they would handle this, I think they've done a great job. And of course, we are here now looking to break out and move to the next level here. The overall picture looks great. And of course, it's the pound is something that you want to buy every single time it pulls down to some level of support. You want to step in and be a buyer because overall, it's continuing to show that great strength. So as we look for it, let's watch to be a buyer of the pound. If we can break above this 130 level, let's watch the entire situation. But overall, really bullish, looks great. That's the way I see it. This is Todd Horwitz coming to you from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.